Hi all, welcome back once again to SAP Solution by USC channel. Today topic is very interesting topic that will be useful for the every end users, functional and technical consultant as well in SAP ECC and S4HANA. In SAP, we are utilizing the functional key shortcuts and keyboard key shortcut to enhance the efficiency and the productivity. So and that's the reason. So I want to make one dedicated video for the how we can able to use the keyboard shortcut keys as well as the functional key shortcut for the utilizing for the day-to-day activities to improve our productivity, and we can able to invest some of the time into the other aspects as well. So the majority of the things that we are only talking about in this video is only for the keyboard shortcut key and the special functional keys. There is some of the information note as well. The one of the information note is saying the majority of these shortcuts are available only for English language keyboards, and on Mac OS keyboard the Alt key is also called the optional key. If you're talking about the keyboard shortcuts, it will be helpful for the streamline the navigation and the command execution, and while functional key that will be provide the quick access to specify the functions. So if you want to become as a master in these shortcuts, allow users and the consultant to perform tasks more swiftly and ultimately improve overall workflow and user experience within the SAP environment. First of all, we will talking about the what are the keyboard shortcuts that will be available. Then we can able to use it for the SAP in ECC and S4HANA. We have noted down in the what are the actions, and for the Windows keyboard shortcut how we can able to use it for, and for the Mac OS keyboard how we can able to use it for. And each action that will be differ from the Windows to Mac because of the keyboard that will be differencing part here. So that's the reason I just take in some of the actions. I will demonstrate it in the demo system, then you can able to understand how that will be work. So I will going with the, so I will taking as a one of the point is closing of the file. So right now I am using for the Windows. That's the reason I am going with the Windows like Mac OS keyboards. So for the Mac OS, if you click on the any of the windows you open, you in the keyboards. If you click on the Command and W, so the particular window that will be closed out. How that will be closed out, I will demonstrate today. I'll quickly jump onto the SAP screen and I will going into the one of the window. I will open as a PO display screen. As his action is saying, if I click on the keyboard Command plus W, the particular window that will need to be closed, right? So I will click here, then I will click on the keyboard Command and W. You can see the particular window that will be closed out. And I will take the second one. He's saying like if I click on the keyboard Command plus Shift plus W, all the windows, what are the open windows that will be closed out. So for that, I will open on the any one of the screen, and I will demonstrate his now. I will click on the Command plus Shift plus W. I will click on the Command plus Shift plus W. System is saying can I log out all the screen? So in the same activities, what I needed it in the action as well. And the further action is saying if you want to save it, you need to be click on the keyboard is like a Command and yes. If you want to save all files, Command Shift S. If you want to undo, is a Command Z. If you want to redo, is a Command Y. If you want to cut, Command X. Copy, Command C. If you want to make it paste, Command V. If you want to activate, is Command F3. If you want to execute, is like a Functional plus F8. How it will be work? It will work only for the execution of the any of the report, or if I take on the MD03 is nothing but a execution of the MRP related things. I will take on the material and plant, and I will click on the function, and F8 system is saying, yeah, it will be executing. It's also executed. So if you want to see the problem views, like command plus alt plus P. In this way, what are the listed down things that will be the action on the corresponding keyboard shortcuts as well as available. We can able to use it for our day-to-day activities as well. The same way how I explained for the Mac OS keyboard, we can able to use it for the Windows users as well on their Windows keyboards for the shortcuts. Then if I shifted onto the special functional key, the special functional key that will be giving the, it will helpful for the your enhancing the efficiency and productivity. In nothing but if I demonstrating some of the things is like the functional key, how that will be work here and what is the use for that. So one of the functional key is saying function plus F1, it will be showing as a help. I will take in any one of the, I will go in with the PO. If I open the PO screen, I want to know the particular any one of the field. It's already open. Okay. I want to know the any one of the field. I want to know the help. So what I need to do, if I click on the shortcut, here saying shortcut is a function plus F1. If I click on the function plus F1, I will get one pop-up. The pop-up is saying this is the informative about the particular fields. This is called as help. Instead of the shortcut key, we have the other options as well. Is nothing but a select the particular field, click on the right click on in our mouse and go with the help, and you will also get the same pop-up screen as the shortcut key saying function plus F1, the help screen. In this way, if I click on the function plus F3, it is nothing but you are coming back from the screen. So if I am in the particular screen, if I click on the function and F3, I just came out from the particular screen to back. So in this way, if I click on the function and F4, it will help for the open field help. If I click on the keyboard function plus F5, it will control the refresh. If I click on the function and F6 is display document, function and F7 is like a cancellation of the current operation or closing a dialog box. And function and F8 is nothing but execution of the current transaction or command. Function and F9 is the technical information that will be provide the details of the technical information about the current screen or transaction. In this way, we can able to use all the functional key that will be existed, and we can able to use it for the ECC and S4HANA for the in SAP for our day-to-day activities. So in this way, we can able to use for the what are the keyboard shortcuts that will be available and what are the special functional key that will be exist. We can able to use it for our day-to-day activities. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel, and feel free to share it with your friends, family, colleagues, and who are actually actively seeking specific information on SAP. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.